All right, I had a lot of fun making this assignment, so I think you might have a lot of fun if you choose to do this assignment for your 40 book challenge check. This assignment is an Instagram post, so what you're going to do is fill out this template. First, before you do the template, be sure to add your book title here and what pages you read this week and put the genre. I'm always going to ask for this information. And then scroll down. So this is what you're going to need to fill out for your Instagram post. So whatever character that you're focusing on in your book, type their name or username on their Instagram account. If you can add a little picture of them inside of there, or maybe they have a logo or a team they really like, personalize this to your character. Add a location. So where did they take this picture? Where did they make the post? Where are they in your book? And third, you're going to choose an image. So go online and try to find something that relates to your story and copy paste it in here. Make sure it fits. If you're going to have to change the size of it, just try not to stretch it out too much. So play with getting the size just right so it doesn't look funny. You might have to mess around with it, but add your image right there. And then how many likes does this post have? And you can see I added a little note here. So don't just pick a random number. Really think about how many likes does this character have. So think, is this character somebody that has a lot of friends? Are they more of a quiet, like isolated person that only has like a small group of friends? All right, so be thoughtful in everything that you put on here. Next, you're going to add a description. So again, be thoughtful. What is it that your character said about this post? What's going through their head at this time in the story? What's happening? Write a description here. And then add at least 2 hashtags that could connect with something else that's happening in your story. So something that they're going through. So there are 6 parts to this Instagram post assignment. Be creative with it if you choose to do this for your 40 book challenge check. And I'm excited to see how they turn out.